Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing today in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things we may love at home, guys. And I mean, I always come out with different kind of recipes and different kind of things. But anyway, I want to give you welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a creamy, cheesy baked potato. All right. And this is how you're going to be doing it. So first of all, what you want to do, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potato, really medium-sized potato. I'm going to be simple, remove the skin from the potato, and I'm going to make you guys see exactly what I'm doing. You can use a peeler to remove the skin from your potato, but I'm just using my knife because I'm a little bit more faster with the knife. All right. It's good for you to use a really large potato to do that, to do this creamy cheesy potato and bake it in the oven. They got another name for it, but you know what I mean, I'm just doing my own version at the moment. All right, this is my version which I'm been doing. So remove the skin from the potato. All right, that's the first thing you want to do. In the meantime, I have a medium-sized pot on the stove with some water inside of it. Started to getting hot already, and I know you guys are going to love this. So this is the first part. What I'm going to be doing is make sure I peel the potato. Very important. As I said, I know it is 2018 and a lot of people definitely gonna go back really healthy, but at the same time you still have to eat, and you still have to eat proper food same way. But the most important thing what you need to start to do is detoxing your body. That is very important, guys. Alright, so we're doing this at the moment, and that's lovely. Alright, so the potato is peeled. So what you want to do, get a larger knife and slice the potato. So you're looking for a slices like this, which is very easy to cook. Put them into some water to get rid of some of the starch. As you can see, what I'm doing right here, put it straight inside of there, and then bang. And you don't want to cut them too thin, you know, you just want to get them on a perfect size. That means, you know, they can cook really good in the water. And as I said, just put on a medium size pot on the stove. Nice one. Alright. So this is a potato which I just peel and cut up, guys. As I can see right there, that's the potato. That is finished. Second thing what we're going to do now is to put the camera right over here. That's so guys can see exactly what's going on inside of the pot, because we don't want to cook the potato too soft neither. Alright, we just want to get it at the perfect size. Alright, nice and lovely. So as I say, I got a medium-sized pot on the stove right here. I'm gonna pop a little bit of oil inside of the water, not too much, just a little tiny bit of oil. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil. Alright, so what you want to do is to put your potato in like this. Hopefully all of this potato can hold. We're not going to be overcook the potato then. That's the most important thing what we need to think of, you know what I mean? Do not overcook the potato, because if you overcook it too soft, it's not gonna be coming the way how you want it to be. Alright, I need to take a little bit more of the water outside of it. Guys, there's a little bit too much water. Yeah, so all of the potato can hold inside of it. So as soon as the potato get a little bit soft, we're just going to be taking them out. Alright, guys? Lovely. So that's the potato. Can put a little pinch of salt if you don't mind, but I don't put salt in it, I just allow it as it is. Alright, and cover it, make it get some Nice one. So as you can see, that's the potato. We're gonna leave that for roughly about 10 minutes and then we're going to be watching it. Alright guys? Nice and lovely. So in the meantime, what we're going to do, I have some double cream. I'm going to be using this double cream right here, guys. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is a double cream. I'm going to put 2 double cream inside of this pot for it to getting hot in the meantime. Alright. So that's one of the double cream. And this is another of the double cream. Alright, so that's the double cream I've been using and I'm going to be using too. Okay, that is so lovely and nice. But what I'm going to do, alright guys, I'm going to be using the Jamaican Valley vegetable season. Pinch of the Jamaican Valley double season inside of it. That's under the pinch of the season. You can use veg stock, whatever you like to use, or you know, it's up to you. Whatever you want to use inside of it, you know what I mean, you can use. But the Jamaican Valley season, that's gonna bring in a lovely flavor to it. As I can see, I'm just making up a sauce to put over the potato. Alright, nice one. And then after that, then you can simple put a little bit of pepper. A little bit of cracked pepper. So we remember we have the potato on the stove already. And this is the double cream which I'm getting hot. I'm using 2 double cream. So you know, that's going to be fine. Put a little bit of the Jamaican Valley vegetable season. You know where to get the Jamaican Valley season, vegetable season, or the vegan season, is to go to www.jamaicanvalley.com and get your season. Very easy. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do is to turn on my oven for it to get hot. So my oven is on now. Just want that to get hot, and I'm going to be baking the potato inside of it. Lovely. So that's it right there. What we're going to do next is just put a little bit of cheese inside of it. Not too much, just a little bit of cheese to bring in a lovely flavor. That's gonna be really, really nice. So allow that for cook about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're gonna take it off. This is nice. So you see, now the sauce is ready. So what we're going to do, yeah, perfect. So once the sauce is cooked, because you can see start to bubble. Once the sauce is cooked, that means it's good to go. Now I'm going to turn off my stove and just allow that heat for it to keep penetrating through it same way. The sauce is really nice. And if you want to add a little bit of extra things to it, if you know what I mean, to your favor, to your taste, you can also do. But this is perfect so far. I just allow that to make it go and cook on the heat. So I turn off my stove, allow that for it to go and cook for in a couple more minutes on this hot heat, same way. So let's take a look at the potato, if the potato is going on well, and see. Nice and lovely. So basically, this is a potato. Give it a little stir, and as I can see how the potato look, that's looking lovely and nice. Really nice. That is really, really nice. Yeah, that is beautiful. I love this. All right. Well, remember, we don't want to overcook it, so we just have to keep an eye on it. All right, guys. Remember, keep an eye on it. We don't want to overcook it. Nice and lovely. So this is it. All right. We don't want to overcook it. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to pour off this water off the potato. All right. The potato, we just don't want to overcook it, guys, as you can see. Because once you overcook it, it's going to be getting too mashed up on all these things. So what I'm going to do is to turn off my stove, just like this. As you can see, that's the potato done. And we done the sauce also. So things look good. What I'm going to do is to pour it off and show you exactly how we're going to lay it out in the tray and get it baked in the oven. Remember, turn on your oven now. That's your oven get hot. All right, guys. Guys, very important for you to get the oven hot or at the moment. All right. So let's go into business. Things looking good so far. Nice and lovely. So just pour off the potato. So what we're going to do is put on our gloves now. Very important, because the potato is a little bit still hot. All right, so I'm going to put on our gloves. This is a potato. You need a big oven tray like this one right here. What I'm going to do is get a little bit of the sauce and just rub it inside of the bottom of it, of the sauce which you just made, just like this. Lay your potato in it like this. And remember, we said we're not overcooking the potato, so the potato is very, very good at the moment. Looking so lovely and nice. I love it. It's just really fantastic, guys, honestly. As you can see. Really, really, really nice. Alright, then do it just like this. Very simple. Nothing too complicated. As you can see, exactly, we're just going to lay it out inside of it like this. And I'm gonna show you a little trick. You can lay it out really lovely and nice, but you know what I mean, it's just at home cooking, so you know what I mean, you don't need to stress yourself too much. Alright, that's looking lovely and nice. Alright, so once you do that, what you're gonna do next is to get that nice sauce which we just made. Remember, we just made that nice lovely sauce that we use, that nice and beautiful cream sauce, guys. Look at that. Really, 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 really nice. And just pour it all over it like this. After you do that, things looking good. Really, really good. Get your favorite. Everyone loves cheese. And let's pour some cheese on top of it like this. I'm using some grated cheddar cheese. So that's going to be lovely and nice. We'll leave the cheese on top of it. So it's gonna be really, really big, really lovely. Alright? So you can use your favorite cheese that you like to use and do this. Alright, guys? Alright, so what I'm going to do next now is put a piece of foil over it for now. Alright, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put it in the oven for roughly about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we will remove the foil and then we're going to put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes for it to get crispy. Alright, guys, enjoy the recipe. 30 minutes and gas mark 8 or gas mark 9 or 7 if you use an electric oven or a different kind of oven. Fahrenheit Celsius is like 165, 175 is really good. 175 is a perfect for it to bake in the oven for roughly 30 minutes. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely, guys. I can hear that thing cooking. Just take it from the oven. Look at this. Alright. Nice. So when it's like this, what you want to do, let's give it a check. Nice. The potato is cooked, so what I want to do now is pop it back straight in the oven and get that nice lovely color on top of it. So it's amazing at the moment. We're gonna pop it back in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes and that's it. Nice and lovely. So I just take the potato from the oven and that's it right there. So it's come out lovely and nice, really colorful, looking good. So guys, please follow the ingredients, guys, and the, you know what I mean, the instruction. You can't go wrong. You can make it at home. Chef Ricardo own version of this creamy potato with cheese baked in the oven, guys. It's an amazing recipe and hopefully you will just love it. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming. And thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. So listen, very good recipe and I know you guys will love it. So next time I will give you another version again.